another video. Don't even know what it is. Hi friends, this is Aditi from Jasmine Team, and today I'm going to be doing another video. And as you guys know from my last video, I have no clue what we're going to be doing this video about. You guys probably know from the thumbnail of this video or the title of this video. I have no idea, so let's get with what the video is going to be about. So here I have my video jar, and I'm just going to pick out one chit and see what the video is going to be about. So I'm going to pick out my chit. Okay, what is this? Can you guys see? I hope you guys can see. Oh, so this is clean your room. Not that excited about this video. You guys are probably like, what do you mean your room is pretty clean? But if I turn my camera, you guys are gonna see all the mess my room is. So over here, when I'm recording my videos, it looks all nice, but when you are actually looking at my room, it's not pleasant. So let's get into the video, but before we do, remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Now let's actually get into the video. This is how messy my room is right now. It is like, I've been living like this for like literally a week, and this is not okay. Let's start off with my bed because I have not made my bed in days. So I know y'all, I have not. So I'll take all the bowls out. So I also have to clean my room first, which means my desk, because I keep taking school in this big of a mess, and no one can see it. So I'm just gonna take out all the things in my bed, and I hope this will help you guys and motivate you guys to clean your room, because it does not feel good to do a lot of videos or do school or do anything in a messy room. And you guys, I was editing my other video and I'm done now, so I'll just move my computer. I have a lot of paper on the floor because of my school, and I never really get to pick it up and put it in a place because I have so many papers. This is the jar. So many papers that I have no idea where to put them. But y'all, I think the first tip I'm going to be giving you guys to clean your room is start off with something basic that will not make you feel like, oh, I'm so tired, but you just started. So always start with something small so you will be motivated and you'll keep doing it. So here is my painting. I know I have a painting on my bed. It is a little dumb. I'm going to just put my sheets on because this is hard. Let's put my sheets on. I finally finished my bed. That took like more than expected. I swear that took like 20 minutes. I don't know what. First of all, I changed the bed sheets because they were not fitting and I couldn't find any bed sheets. Third of all, these bed sheets are so big, they're bigger than me. It took me so long to get them untangled and put them right like this. And I also got this blanket because I wanted a blanket in my room. I did not have any blankets in my room. And now, y'all, this was just like a little bit. I still have a lot more to do. Not done, that's the wrong word. But I don't think I'm done with the bed because on the floors, I have more books which go in my bed. So I'm going to just do that. And I think this was supposed to go here, but it doesn't fit. Oh, it does fit. That was supposed to be like that. But this has nothing and this has books. And I usually put my books in like ways. So I have these books, Dork Diaries. I have a lot of these books, of the Dork Diaries. And I put them in they get this one whole place. And then the rest of the books go in this other place. Oh. So I just put all the books. These are actually all the books, but I don't know where my books are. So, I'm just going to put these like that. And, I don't know what's wrong with that. That is so tiring. I am sweating, y'all. But, y'all, I'm going to see you after lunch. So, let's go. Well, I just finished eating lunch, and now I have a lot more to do because I've only finished the bed I can't talk bed as you guys saw, but now I have this whole thing to do. I am done. I really don't want to do this, but I guess since I am gonna follow what I got, because that's just what it is, I'm gonna do it. So I'm just gonna pick up all these chits. These are the 2 chits I picked. I'm gonna throw these away because I don't need them anymore, because I've already finished filming these videos. And now I'm gonna you guys are probably asking why there's a toilet paper roll. I was making a craft yesterday, filled with the craft, and I still have the toilet paper in here. So I'm not gonna trash it yet because I might need this for another craft. So I'm gonna probably put that there. Are wondering I'm doing things on my dresser right now. These I haven't put away from yesterday's beauty video. This is the thing I do. I never clean up after I make a craft, after I do a video. So this is how it gets so messy. Because usually I don't stay this messy. It just becomes messy from me being lazy and not cleaning this up. But I still have a few products like this one. I still have this product from yesterday. And I'm not going to give any description about it because you guys can always check on my other video to see what these products are. If they catch your eye. These are just some dishes. I'm gonna put everything I need to put away on my dresser, so it will be easy for me to remember. So I don't know what was that. I can't talk today. What that was doing. Okay, so guys, I am deciding to do my desk now. Oh, it's really dark here. I don't think that's a good lighting. You guys are having a really close-up of my face. But now here is my desk. Hope you guys can see it. I hope the light is not distracting it. Okay, this is good. So I have this. I haven't cleaned this up. I have cleaned this up. I have cleaned this up, but I haven't cleaned my desk up. I'm probably going to need a wipe because this is a little too disgusting. Y'all, wait, what just happened? I had something to go in there. And I didn't know what happened to it. Okay. So I'll start off by taking everything out. Because it helps. Okay, I have found this. It goes in here and this goes on top of here. I'm going to take this out. And yeah, y'all, by the way, this, if you guys saw my other videos, I told you guys I made this. Actually, it wasn't that hard. It's made out of popsicle sticks. So I'm going to take everything out. I don't want to... Oh, there was water. And now I'm going to go get a wipe. Get the wipe. Back with the wipe. I almost dropped the light. Oh. You guys just saw that? Clorox. Okay, I can't talk. The Clorox wipe just fell down the hole. Into the end. No. Okay, I'm not funny. Okay, so do this. Okay. This looks pretty clean to me. Gotta clean it. And y'all, my drawers are already cleaned. I cleaned these a week ago because I couldn't handle it anymore. I had to clean something. So I cleaned up. Oh my god, y'all. Look at how much dirt came out. You guys see all that? It's all dirt. It's kind of disgusting. Because I was on my desk every day, every night. Okay, so let's start decorating. Now I'm just gonna clean up my computer because it's been a long time, longer than a month or two. It's been so long since I cleaned up my room, and I mean my, not room, I mean my computer, and it kind of is disgusting, so I'm gonna just clean it up now. I was actually gonna do this a few days ago, but of course the lazy me didn't do it. But now I'm doing it because this is clearly part of my room cleaning. This computer is really important to me because, especially in coronavirus days, because this is how I get my schoolwork done. This is how I get to do my entertaining. This is how I get to edit my video. This is how I get to post my videos. This is how I get to do my other classes. This is how I get to talk to my friends. And this is how I get to do crafts and do so many things with this. So this is really important. And y'all, I have also put all over stickers on my computer, but that does not matter. Well, now all I have to do is clean up the floor. I've cleaned up the floor. I have to put away these, and then I have to just do vacuum. And I am so excited it's going to be done soon. You guys, that was a long time. I've spent like 1 or 2 hours cleaning my room. It was actually really messy. I finished vacuuming and I finished, and I'm so happy with the results, as you can see, guys. This was something I really did not want to do, but you guys helped me stay through all of this, and I could finally finish. I actually in the middle thought I was not gonna finish, and I got a new kind of desk layout because I was like cleaning and I thought like I should do something more, and I am so happy now that I can be in this really clean room, and it's all because of you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye!